Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started, good luck. What is the purpose of AWS Systems Manager Session Manager? To securely establish a remote shell connection to instances without requiring SSH/RDP. To boost CPU performance of instances. To automate instance scaling based on traffic patterns. To allocate additional storage to instances dynamically. AWS Systems Manager Session Manager enables secure remote shell access to instances without requiring SSH/RDP, providing a safe and centrally managed way to interact with instances. How can AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store help with application deployment? Monitor network traffic for latency issues. Manage IAM policies for EC2 instances. Store and centrally manage configuration data. Automate memory management for container instances. AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store allows users to store and centrally manage configuration data, making it easier to deploy applications across multiple instances with consistent configurations. When would you use AWS Systems Manager Patch Manager? To configure load balancers. To monitor incoming network traffic. To manage S3 bucket permissions. To automate patch management for EC2 instances. AWS Systems Manager Patch Manager is used to automate patch management for EC2 instances, ensuring that systems are kept up to date with the latest security patches and updates. What is the purpose of Ops Center in AWS Systems Manager? Manage user passwords. Optimize CPU performance. View, investigate, and resolve operational issues related to Amazon Web Services. Backup database servers. Ops Center in AWS Systems Manager allows users to view, investigate, and resolve operational issues related to Amazon Web Services, providing a centralized location for operational insights and actions. What is a benefit of using AWS Systems Manager Session Manager over traditional SSH connections for managing EC2 instances? Faster connection establishment time. Allows for multiple users to connect concurrently. Improved security by not requiring open inbound ports. No need to install any additional software on the workstation. AWS Systems Manager Session Manager provides improved security by not requiring open inbound ports to EC2 instances, which reduces the attack surface. What is the purpose of AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store? To provision EC2 instances. To store configuration data and secrets. To manage IAM roles. To monitor application performance. AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store is used to store configuration data and secrets securely, allowing for centralized management and access control. What is the purpose of AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store? Encrypt network traffic. Optimize database performance. Securely store configuration data. Automate database backups. Parameter Store in AWS Systems Manager allows you to securely store configuration data such as passwords, database strings, and license codes, making it easier to manage and access sensitive information. What is the function of AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store? Monitor temperature sensors. Optimize memory usage. Encrypt network traffic. Securely store configuration data. AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store is used to securely store configuration data such as passwords, database strings, and license codes, making it easier to manage and access sensitive information securely. What feature of AWS Systems Manager allows you to automate the process of creating and managing AMIs? AWS Systems Manager Task Manager. AWS Systems Manager Image Builder. AWS Systems Manager Application Manager. AWS Systems Manager Configuration Manager. AWS Systems Manager Image Builder is a feature that allows you to automate the process of creating and managing AMIs, including customization and patching, based on predefined recipes. What is the purpose of AWS Systems Manager Run Command Document? A tool for managing user access control. A predefined set of steps and execution commands for common tasks. A tool for monitoring CPU usage. A tool for visualizing network traffic. Run command documents in AWS Systems Manager define a set of steps and execution commands that are needed to perform common operational tasks, enabling consistency and repeatability in running commands on instances. What is the purpose of AWS Systems Manager automation documents? To set up automatic backups for RDS databases. To define a sequence of actions to perform on AWS resources. To create custom metrics for CloudWatch. To design user interfaces for web applications. AWS Systems Manager automation documents allow users to define a sequence of actions to be performed on AWS resources, facilitating the automation of routine tasks or complex workflows. What does AWS Systems Manager Session Manager allow you to do? Securely connect to your instances without the need for SSH or RDP. Automatically scale your instances based on traffic. Deploy applications on your instances. Monitor CPU usage of your instances. Session Manager in AWS Systems Manager allows you to securely connect to your instances without the need for SSH or RDP, making it easier to manage and troubleshoot instances. What is AWS Systems Manager Distributor used for? Managing and distributing software packages. Creating virtual private clouds. Optimizing CPU usage. Monitoring disk space usage. Distributor in AWS Systems Manager is used for managing and distributing software packages across your instances, simplifying software deployment and updates. What is the purpose of AWS Systems Manager State Manager? To define and maintain the desired state of your managed instances. To store and manage sensitive data. To monitor network traffic. To analyze application logs. AWS Systems Manager State Manager helps users define and maintain the desired state of their managed instances, ensuring that they comply with configuration policies and standards. What is the purpose of State Manager in AWS Systems Manager? Maintain consistent configuration across instances. Optimize database performance. Handle user authentication. Monitor disk usage. State Manager in AWS Systems Manager helps maintain consistent configuration across instances by automatically applying and maintaining desired state configurations. What is the role of Patch Manager in AWS Systems Manager? Optimize network latency. Manage virtual machine configuration. Control access to hardware resources. Automate the process of patching operating systems. Patch Manager in AWS Systems Manager automates the process of patching operating systems, making it easier to keep instances up to date with the latest security updates. What is AWS Systems Manager? A service for building machine learning models. A service that provides virtual servers in the cloud. A service for managing physical data centers. A service that enables you to automate operational tasks. AWS Systems Manager is a service that enables you to automate operational tasks and manage resources securely at scale. What is the benefit of using AWS Systems Manager Distributor? To centrally store and manage software packages across EC2 instances. To automate instance backups. To monitor endpoint security compliance. To scale instances based on CPU metrics. AWS Systems Manager Distributor allows you to centrally store and manage software packages across EC2 instances, making it easier to distribute and install software updates and patches across your infrastructure. What is the purpose of AWS Systems Manager maintenance windows? Monitor memory usage of instances. Automatically provision EC2 instances based on demand. Manage user permissions for S3 buckets. Define a recurring schedule for maintenance tasks. AWS Systems Manager maintenance windows allow users to define a recurring schedule for maintenance tasks, enabling automated updates and administrative tasks to be executed on a regular basis. What is the primary function of AWS Systems Manager? Manage DNS services. Monitor network traffic. Automate operational tasks at scale. Host static websites. AWS Systems Manager primary function is to automate operational tasks at scale, making it easier to manage infrastructure securely and efficiently. What is the benefit of using AWS Systems Manager Ops Center? It monitors the health of DynamoDB tables. It automatically scales EC2 instances based on traffic patterns. It optimizes S3 storage costs. It provides a central location to view, investigate, and resolve operational issues. AWS Systems Manager Ops Center provides a centralized location for viewing, investigating, and resolving operational issues across AWS resources, helping to streamline the incident response process. What can AWS Systems Manager Run command do? Monitor application logs. Optimize storage on instances. Automatically provision instances. Run commands on multiple instances. Run command in AWS Systems Manager enables you to run commands on multiple instances simultaneously, streamlining operational tasks across your fleet of instances. Why would you use AWS Systems Manager Run command? To manage dynamic DNS entries. To automate common administrative tasks across multiple instances. To monitor system performance metrics. To perform real-time log analysis. AWS Systems Manager Run command enables users to automate common administrative tasks across multiple EC2 instances, making it easier to manage and maintain a fleet of instances. How can AWS Systems Manager automation help with operational tasks? Monitor CPU utilization of instances. Automate manual and repetitive tasks. Manage security groups for EC2 instances. Automate patch management on a single instance. AWS Systems Manager automation enables users to automate manual and repetitive tasks, freeing up time for operational teams to focus on more strategic initiatives. What is the benefit of using automation in AWS Systems Manager? Deploy new hardware devices. Monitor application performance. Manage software licenses. Automate manual tasks and troubleshoot operational issues. Automation in AWS Systems Manager allows users to automate manual tasks and troubleshoot operational issues, improving operational efficiency and reducing manual errors. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.